Okay, people, so we have finally gotten a hold of these Popeyes chicken sandwiches. The whole family. Not Tyler, because he's at school. But anyway, so we have decided to do a family taste test. See what these things are about. We'll let y'all know if it's worth the hype. We've been sitting in line for 45 minutes. They don't even have the interior of the place open. So let's find out, huh? Wait a minute. Who's going first?
Okay.
Let's see. Go. It's good? How good? You gotta look at the camera and tell the people how good it is.
This is a really good sandwich.
Caitlin?
Oh, I didn't know I was going next.
I'll go next. Let's see. It's worth the wait. It's a damn good sandwich.
Okay.
Thumbs up. Waiting on you. Her over there with the bonnet.
It's definitely better than Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, we're gonna need you to go ahead and shut down. Stop selling chicken. We're gonna need you to go find Colonel Sanders or the guy who originated Williams Chicken or somebody to try to compete with this sandwich, because it's a mess. You lose. Bye.